this video. It's another weekly weigh-in. I've forgotten how many weeks this is now. I think it might be week 16 or 17, but the weeks are absolutely flying by. And I've lost half a pound. Woohoo! I'm really pleased. Now, half a pound, for me, it's a loss. So it's a win and I will take it. So I'm really pleased because the past couple of weeks I've been suffering with a lot of inflammation, really swollen, quite unwell and not feeling my best. And that has reflected in my emotions, and I've been eating things that I perhaps shouldn't be eating, but I've eaten them for comfort food. So I've been trying really hard to get back on track, and I spoke to my medical consultant last week and told them how I was feeling, and I was in a lot of pain and really stiff. So they said, it sounds like your lupus is active, and they called me up to the hospital and I had to have some treatment. So since having that treatment, I am feeling better. I'm not in as much pain, I'm not as stiff, and yeah, I'm feeling a little bit better. So yeah, so I was really pleased that I'd lost that half a pound in the midst of all my pain and all my inflammation. So I'm back on track, and hopefully next week I should see an even better loss, because a lot of that inflammation has now gone from my body. So yeah, you know, I will actually do a video to share with you what lupus is and my experience of lupus, but I'll do it in a future video. So if you've not done so already, hit that red subscribe button below. Yeah, that one down below, or is it on that side? But it's down there. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell for all, so that way you won't miss a video. So if you've done that, brilliant. If you've not done that, what are you waiting for, guys? Hit that red subscribe button, and I will do a video about lupus, explain what it is and how it affects me. Now, you may never have heard of lupus before. You might not know anybody with lupus, but I will tell you that lupus is very common, and a lot of people are suffering in silence. So I'm doing my bit I will do my bit to raise awareness of this life-changing disease. So do make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. So the reason I'm in my kitchen today is because I've just cooked dinner and I want to show you what I'm having. So I'm going to flip that camera over and I'll be back in 1 second. So guys, this is my dinner for tonight, and it's salmon on a bed of butternut squash and spinach. So I cook my salmon by just wrapping it in some tin foil, aluminium, or as Americans say, aluminium foil, and I season it with salt and black pepper, and I've got a little seasoning. I'll just show you in a moment. I've got this seasoning it's actually for barbecues, and it's a natural veggie seasoning, but it tastes really good, so I'll use it on my fish. So I've put a little bit on that with my salt and my pepper, and I've popped that in the oven for 20 minutes and let that cook away. And whilst that was cooking, I've then boiled my butternut squash. They were frozen, the butternut squash, so I've boiled them and then drained them and popped them in a pan with a little bit of spinach. I say a little bit, there was like 3 handfuls of spinach, and just made that into like a hot salad, and here it is. So I'm just gonna have a little taste because it smells, oh, that salmon smells so good. Yeah, oh yeah, That salmon is really good. I do love salmon. Spinach is one of my absolutely favourite foods on my weight loss journey. I love spinach and it's so full of goodness. So I'm going to have a try of this. Yeah, really, really good. And I've not, the spinach is, it's cooked down, but it's not like really, there's still some texture to it. So it's got that nice slight crunch to it, and the butternut squash, which complements it, is cooked, so it's really soft. So it's a nice blend. And again, I've seasoned the butternut squash and the spinach with salt, pepper, chili powder, and mixed herbs. So I've got that lovely combination running through. So that is so good. Okay guys, so you've seen my dinner. It tasted really good, really good. So I am off now. I'm going to sit and enjoy my meal. But before I go, if you have not hit that red subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Please do it now and hit that the black notification bell too. Leave a comment and give me the thumbs up. Okay guys, if you are on a weight loss journey, and when I say weight loss, I mean if you are looking to improve your health, your wellness, your fitness levels, you're into healthy eating, healthy cooking, healthy lifestyle, and if that is you and you have a small YouTube channel under 5,000 subscribers and you want to grow and collaborate with others, then check out the description box below, because I've put a link to a small YouTube weight loss support loop, and we are a group and a growing group of small YouTubers, small creatives who are looking to grow our channels, but in doing so supporting others, because you know what guys, we rise when we lift others. Yeah, when we lift others, there's an old saying and it goes, a rising tide lifts all boats. So we support each other and we help each other to grow by providing whatever support they need. Sometimes it's just a listening ear, but we watch their videos, we collaborate with each other and we support. So if you want to be part of a community that supports you on your wellness and weight loss journey, but also to grow your channel, then check out the description box below and come and join us. Come and join us. We're on Facebook, and that is where we provide all our communications. Okay guys, I'm out of here now. I'm off to finish my delicious dinner, and I will see you next time. Have a fabulous week. I'll see you soon. Take care. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah.